Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the travel history subpanel within the medical history screen. In this video, we will start on the medical history screen. For more information regarding the medical history screen, please refer to the medical history user manual linked in this video's description. The practitioner can annotate the patient's travel history, noting whether the individual has ventured into regions harboring viruses such as malaria. Click on the travel history subpanel. The travel history subpanel will expand. We will now take a look at the various fields located within the travel history section. First, click on the Add Travel History item, which will open up additional fields you are able to complete. From refers to the date when the patient started their stay in another region or country. Click on a From field, which will open the calendar and select the applicable date. 2 refers to the last day the patient stayed in another region or country. Click on the To field, which will open the calendar and select the applicable date. Location refers to the region or country in which the patient has resided in relation to the From and To dates. Click on a Location field and complete the relevant information. Additional information refers to extra details the user is able to annotate regarding the travel history of the patient. Click on the Additional Information field and complete the relevant information. The user is able to remove an entry by clicking on the red Remove button. To add additional entries to the travel history list, click on the Add Travel History item button and follow the previously explained steps. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the information entered and return to the diary screen.